are 79 views. In 79 views, immaculate video gets $1.32. So what are we talking about when we talk about variable content, that the advertisers and audience will be variable and fall in love with it? Can you see this? This is what they call CPM. CPM, it is payback based on cost for every 1K views. But then, would you believe if I told you the reason you're not earning money on YouTube on a monthly basis consistently is not about you working hard? Yes, you might be posting daily, you might be getting a lot of views, but you're working it wrong. Once upon a time, I was getting views. If you go to my YouTube, the first year, second year, I was getting a lot of views. But guess how much I was earning? I was earning peanut. Yes. When I started YouTube, I was getting views. I was posting videos very consistently. You know me. I can post even 2 videos per day. I was going extra mile. But I will shock you that I was not getting money. But everything changed when I started being intentional. I know you'll be there and ask yourself, what am I talking about? I no longer post random topics. I no longer become inconsistent in quality. In fact, I do have a clear vision. I do have a clear focus. And yes, before I was busy just having lots of views, having lots of people commenting, engagement, but it wasn't profitable. I know someone out there is in these shoes. Everything changed when I stopped guessing and I started being intentional. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I doubled my earnings, or how I double my earnings. And I'll be bringing you examples. I'll be showing you my dashboard. I know, please take your seat and let's ride on. Now, before we dive in, allow me to say thank you to all engagers. God bless you so much. I love you. And to someone out there who wants to start, please mind about this video. It's a mind-blowing video. Disclaimer, you guys, I'm not saying that the moment you start today, you're going to be a number one. And no way. There are other things that are kept constant. Terms and conditions apply. However, you guys, I'm just giving you tips. I'm giving you 1 to 10% only for what I've used, what other people have used, and they're prospering. So if you want, you can go and research. If you don't want, you can leave it out. My job is to give you these tips, but I'm not giving you a guarantee. Can we dive in and see? I'm going to show you how I focused on high quality content. And after showing you how I focused on high quality content, I'll show you what it means. Not all views are the same. Yes, I mean the truth. The creators don't want to tell you, especially the ones who were there before. They don't want to tell you and they ignore. All views are not the same. What I did, I shifted my content on topics that advertisers love. Advertisers are paying highly. Advertisers are minding about things like money, things like finance, things like digital skills. These ones, they double your earnings. And this is what they did for me. Instead of you chasing trends, instead of you chasing virality, instead of you, for me as Immaculate Show, I started chasing variable audience. Whenever you get variable audience, get a look and see if you have a lot of views. You have people who are behind you as your audience, your fans. But that audience is not variable. Trust me, fewer views sometimes is better than having those bulgy, many, in fact, huge viral views without money. Can you guess my earnings per video right now? Guess it. Put it in the comment section and I will tell you. Then the second, increased watch time. What do I mean increased watch time? Do you see how I started this video? And do you remember, go to 1 year back and see how I used to start, or 2-3 years back? In fact, check 4 years back how I used to start. There's a big difference. Here the secret is YouTube pays attention. In other words, it's watch time duration. The attention, the more time you keep people watching, the more money you will get. How long people stay with you matters a lot. So what I did, I simply improved on my storytelling. When you see that why I start my story now is different from before. Most people don't get bored. I also increased it through strong hooks. At least you need to know what I'm going to eat. The way this food is opening, it is variable in the first 5 seconds. Then I stopped unnecessary talking, because even if you talk too much, even if you do what matters is the retention. And also I made a bit viewers to keep watching. They're a bit curious. You imagine, I always bring, like what I'm going to show you in practicals, I'm bringing it at the end. So people will be curious to see my dashboard. People will be curious to see how I'm performing, not just listening. So they will continue. But if I brought it at the beginning, people would see like this and disappear. So let's dive in and you see what I'm talking about in terms of variable content and in terms of increasing watch time. So you're here now. This is an immaculate video. It is an immaculate page, or you can call it whatever. This is YouTube for immaculate. So this is how we do it. Can you guess? This is $1.32. This $1.3, it is in very few views. Guess how many views? If we go to take the views, are 79 views. In 79 views, immaculate video gets $1.32. So what are we talking about when we talk about variable content, that the advertisers and audience will be variable and fall in love with it? Can you see this? This is what they call CPM. CPM, it is payback based on cost for every 1K views. Then you come, it is 28.50. I want you to get me a video somewhere there, and someone come and challenges me, someone with just a comedian, maybe those videos you talk about nasty things, they always attract a lot of views. You will not get something like this. 20 point. Most of them, they have around 2.5, 0 point something here, which makes here, this is what we call RPM. RPM, this determines a lot. 16.67. 16.67 for 1K views. And when they divide 16.7 for 1,000 views, it ends up giving you views per 1 view. Money per 1 view, per 10 view, per 3 views. When I've always been telling you that immaculate, I will earn at 10 views, I will earn at 20 views. This is what I was talking about. Now, from today, you come to know, you putting views that, content that is variable is very necessary. I'm now giving you a ticket for you to start knowing how to make money on social media, on YouTube, how I double my money without that fun excitement of thinking about, no, she has no views, he has no views. Let's come to here, how I increased my Facebook. This is another video. This video is just yesterday, and it has 47 views. Then the other second point I talked to you about, increasing the view duration. This is 6.22 minutes, meaning the people who have watched, all these 42 people have watched, out of 10 have watched it more than a half, which is a plus. Are you there? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? This is yesterday's video. The CPM is 35.77. 35.77, they counted even less than 42 views. That is paid because it is for yesterday. And now, Immaculate Show video, it is having 0.34, like maybe in 10 views, because by evening or by 12 hours, we'll know how many views were from this. What does this show you? This shows you the moment, let's see the view duration. Out of 10, still, the video is watched 6 past a half. This is how I've been doubling my money and my earnings. If you want to know more,